upbeat background music. Hey everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the fascinating world of chemistry. Today, we're going to unravel one of the most fundamental concepts that every budding chemist needs to understand, the mole concept. Do you know what a mole is in chemistry? It's a term you'll hear over and over again, but what does it really mean? Hint, it's not just a cute little animal. While the word mole might bring to mind the image of a small burrowing creature, in the realm of chemistry, it has a completely different and much more significant meaning. So, what exactly is a mole? Let's break it down. The mole is a unit of measurement used in chemistry to express amounts of a chemical substance. It's one of the 7 base units in the International System of Units, SI, and is fundamental to understanding chemical reactions and equations. In chemistry, a mole is a unit that represents a mind-blowing number of particles. But how many particles are we talking about? We're talking 6.022 x 11023 particles. That's 602 sextillion 200 quintillion. This number is known as Avogadro's number, named after the Italian scientist Amedeo Avogadro, who first proposed the concept in the early 19th century. Think of it like this. Just like a dozen means 12, a mole means this enormous number. It's a convenient way to count particles, which are incredibly tiny and numerous. Imagine trying to count individual atoms or molecules without this handy unit. For example, if you have 1 mole of water, you have 6.022 x 1023 molecules of H2O. That's a staggering amount of molecules, all contained in just about 18 grams of water. Imagine each of those tiny water molecules just hanging out in a single drop. It's almost impossible to visualize, but that's the beauty of the mole concept. It helps us grasp the scale of the microscopic world. Now, let's get practical. The mole concept isn't just theoretical, it has real-world applications that make it indispensable in chemistry. If you had 1 mole of apples, you'd have enough apples to cover the entire Earth. Crazy, right? This example might sound a bit exaggerated, but it helps illustrate just how large Avogadro's number really is. Just visualize an apple blanket wrapping around our planet. Got it? This analogy shows the power of the mole in making sense of huge quantities. Moles make dealing with huge numbers in chemistry a whole lot easier. Whether you're calculating the amount of reactants needed for a chemical reaction or determining the yield of a product, the mole is your go-to unit. So share this video with a friend who's struggling in chemistry, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick chemistry tips. Thanks for watching. Outro music fades. Remember, understanding the mole concept is a giant leap towards mastering chemistry. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and stay curious.